how to charge the Anker Soundcore 2 and how long it takes. So first all we need is a USB-C to USB cable here. This is the original cable. It is pretty short, so I'll plug it into a different one. To charge it, pull out the bung here at the very end. This will reveal the USB-C charging port, and you want to plug a USB-C charger into this, and we'll get this steady red light here. Now, what does this red steady light mean? Let me tell you. This red steady light means your Anker Soundcore 2 is charging. If it was flashing red, it would mean it's low battery. It'd still indicate that it's charging, just that you have a low battery. Once it turns to a steady white light, this means it's fully charged. If you're into a wall with a 2 amp charger, it normally takes around 3 hours. But if you're in a USB port, in a laptop or a phone charger, it may take around 6 to 8 hours. So vastly different. You want to plug that USB-C into the speaker and then a USB into your power source. And again, selecting a wall or a laptop or a phone charger will have a dramatic effect on how long it takes to charge the Anker Soundcore 2. Once you fully charge it and turn it on, you'll have this white steady light.